Hi everyone, thank you for your interest in the Tai Chi, Introduction to Tai Chi Workshop. What will we be doing? Okay, do you have to have any previous experience? Is it okay for everybody? Okay, so first of all, we will be doing is looking at the first three movements of the Yang form. So that will be the opening to ward off left, grasping the sparrow's tail, press and push, and then the single whip. Okay, so some of you, if you've already done Tai Chi before, will be familiar with the moves. They may be done a little bit different, but it's just horses for courses a lot of times. But what we will be doing is looking at the applications of the moves. What are they for? Okay, so we won't just be doing a move for the sake of doing a move. We'll be looking at what it's for now. So don't be put off by this, because we won't be fighting or anything like this, but we'll just be understanding what the moves are for. Okay, and by doing that, you'll understand how to direct the energy more. Okay, so that's the first thing. So does it matter if you've done it before? No, it's for a complete beginner, or as I say, you may have already done some Tai Chi and you'd like to get reacquainted with it maybe. You may be in a Tai Chi class and wondering what else is out there, sort of thing. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm not trying to poach anybody's stuff. I know from myself, when I was learning, I went to different workshops and learned several things from them. Okay, learned from them. So in that way, I'm not trying to take you away from who your teacher is. Just you might come along and you might find a little bit to add into your practice. So that's it. So you can be a complete beginner, or already have some experience, or just wanting to come back to Tai Chi. Is it open to everyone? Now this is a big debate, okay, because to my mind, Tai Chi isn't an old person's thing, it is, but you can't come into it if you've got any problems with balance or breathing or remembering things, especially if you have trouble remembering movements. It's not really for you, okay? You'd be much better doing a Qigong class. I think that's where the trouble lies a lot of the time. People, doctors especially, they say go to a Tai Chi class when you should be going to a Qigong class. Really, it's much more beneficial for an older person. That's my opinion. Okay, so being an older person. Okay, so if you're someone who has real trouble remembering movements, you'll probably struggle with learning these three moves in the amount of time we've got. So it's not my intention. I don't want people to come along and not enjoy the experience. Okay, the idea is you come along and you enjoy your Tai Chi. But if you want to sort of extend your knowledge of Tai Chi or learn what it does involve, then come along to the workshop and you can see what it's all about. Okay, and hopefully, if you want to, you can join a class at the studio and learn even more. Okay, so by looking at this, if you've suffered this video to the end and you fancy giving it a try, book the workshop. Cheers, chaps.